First part of the video is about pairing the gateway with Tuya application. After plugging in the gateway and the blue LED on it becomes steady, you can start the pairing process between Dusun Gateway and Tuya app. Open the Tuya app in your mobile phone, click Add. Switch to Gateway Control section and choose Wireless Gateway. Fill in the password of the router your gateway want to connect to. Choose the AP mode in the right top of the application for wireless pairing and click Next. Then we should connect the mobile phone to Gateway AP for sending the SSID and password. Choose the SSID of the gateway. It should be like Dusun dash last 4 bits of MAC address of the gateway. And default the password is 12345678. Switch back to Tuya application, press Confirm, Hotspot Connection Next. Then wait until the gateway and Tuya app to be paired. It can be seen they are successfully paired. Next, we can try to pair some devices. At first, we can try to add a temperature and humidity sensor. Follow the instruction in Tuya application. Click Add Sub-Device. Set the sensor in pairing mode by long-press the button. After the wireless sign is flashing in the screen, device is in pairing mode. Then wait for the gateway and device to be paired. It can be seen in mobile application that TNH sensor is paired. You can kindly check the temperature and humidity data in the Tuya application now. Then we could try to add a smoke sensor. Click Add Sub-Device in the screen. Set the smoke sensor in pairing mode by pressing the button on it until the LED turns to green. The smoke sensor is successfully paired now. You could test about the function of it. Next, we take a common plug for pairing. First, plug in the plug and long press the button on it. You should see the blue LED flashing on it. Meanwhile, press the Add Sub-Device button on the Tuya application. It can be seen the plug is correctly paired. You could test the function it by switching on or off the plug.